I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot effectively. To begin, understand that HubSpot is a powerful platform designed to centralize your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts. It helps you attract new prospects, engage them with valuable content, and delight them into loyal customers. By leveraging its robust CRM, you can efficiently manage all customer data and interactions in one place, creating a seamless experience for both your team and your clients. This integrated approach is key to maximizing your business growth. Next, let's dive into some core features that drive growth. Implement lead scoring to automatically rank prospects, focusing your sales efforts on those most likely to convert. This saves valuable time. Segment your contacts into specific lists, allowing you to send highly personalized messages that resonate with different audience groups. Additionally, use HubSpot's customizable landing pages and forms to efficiently capture essential lead information, turning website visitors into qualified prospects for your business. Automation is a game changer for efficiency. Use HubSpot workflows to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending email sequences and nurturing leads, freeing up your team for more strategic work. Always define clear goals for each workflow and use consistent naming conventions for easy management. Incorporate conditional logic and strategic delays to create personalized customer journeys, ensuring the right message reaches the right person at the optimal time, enhancing engagement and conversions. Finally, measuring your success is crucial for continuous improvement. Consistently monitor key metrics such as conversion rates and customer acquisition costs to understand your return on investment. Analyze traffic sources and sales pipeline velocity to identify trends and potential bottlenecks. Leverage HubSpot's custom reports and dashboards to gain actionable insights, enabling you to make data-driven decisions that optimize your strategies and drive sustained business growth over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.